Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. The pressure exerted on the ground by a man is greatest when he is... Okay, let's look at some basic concept before we can decide which of these is the answer. Okay, so first, let us take a look at the equation or the formula for finding pressure, which is force or weight over area. Okay, and in this instance, the weight of the man is constant. It is the same in all cases. Okay, so the pressure that is going to be exerted on the ground will be largest. If you look at this formula, the pressure will be largest if the area is the smallest. Okay, good. So let's take, for instance, let's say of course the force is 50 Newton over 10 meters square, so this is going to give us 5 Pascal. Okay, but what about in another case? If we have, remember, the weight is the same, then we have a smaller area, let's say 2 this time around, we're going to end up having a larger pressure, 25 Pascal. Okay, so invariably pressure is inversely proportional to area. Okay, so let us quickly take a look at the answer options. All right, so standing with both feet flat on the ground. Okay, let's take that. Let's say these are the feet. Okay, then standing on one foot on tiptoe. Okay, just this. All right, in contact with the ground. Okay, good. Option C says sitting on the ground. So sitting on the ground could also mean that the bottom is in contact with the ground, and part of the feet also, the 2 feet are in contact with the ground. Okay, good. Then option D says standing on both feet on tiptoe. So we'll have something like this. Okay, good. So now if we look at these 4 configurations, we will see that the tiptoe we have a very, or has the smallest contact with the ground. Okay, so they compared with the other mentioned configuration. Okay, so answer option B is the right answer. Standing on one foot on tiptoe would tend to have the greatest pressure exerted on the ground. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.